You know what that reminded me of? Somebody who spoke to us a while ago, and they invested in a property development. So this is a red flag here, because you're talking 50%. But if somebody offers you 50% return, a 50% on your money, no.
No.
So
50% on your money.
No, you don't. So that's, you know what I'm saying here, right? And I think we need to make sure that that's clear.
The other thing, if it sounds too
good to be true, it is. So yeah, what we're talking about isn't too good to be true. This is using your own money and your development, not investing in somebody else's and getting 50% if you're putting in, 50% on your money. No.
You can't get 50% on your money by investing in someone else's development, because how are they going to make money, and how's the bank going to make money?
You know where I was going. We just want people to hear this and think, oh, they said you get 50%, and then that's actually dangerous. So that's where I was going.
No. I mean, when we invite people to invest in our projects, it might be a 9% return on a first mortgage security, might be 17% on a second mortgage security, and they're standard rates. That's what the market says. But as a developer, we get a lot more. And so we should, because we're smart and we do the work, and that's what we do.